Where have all my animals gone? Let's find them. Look, it's the shark family cups. Who do we have here? It's baby shark. He's yellow. What's inside the cup? Wow, there are a lot of small balls. Who's next? Look, it's green grandpa shark. What's inside this cup? Let's see. Wow, there are a lot of colorful pom-poms. Okay, let's clear a little space. Our next shark is Grandma Shark. She's orange. Let's take a look at what's inside. Wow, we have shiny gems. Wonderful. Who's next? It's Pink Mommy Shark. Wow, there are a lot of colorful rings inside. And the last cup is blue. It's Daddy Shark. What's inside? Look, we found our first animal. It's a yellow giraffe. Where do you think we should put it? That's right, let's put it right here. Wow, look at this playground. There's a slide, a bicycle, a swing, and a Ferris wheel. What's it? Oh, it's a food truck. Looks yummy. Hello, Zoe Zebra.
Hello.
What's in the van? Let's see. Open. Wow, it's my puzzle piece. It's an orange lion. Can you guess where the lion might go? How about this place? Look at that! It's a pirate ship. It's amazing. There's a green cannon, a blue octopus, a green steering wheel, and a funny parrot.
Hello.
What else do we have here? Wow, it's a treasure chest. What's inside it? Let's open. Wow, look! There are so many gems. Look at this. And we found our next animal. It's a green crocodile. Where should we put it? How about we put it here? What's it? There are a lot of fruits. It's a carrot and a tomato. What a funny carrot! And it's a giant pineapple. It has a door. Does someone live inside? I think it is. Let's open this butterfly lock. Wow, who is it? I know, it's a black and white zebra. Do you see a shape that looks like a zebra? Here it is. Look, it's a piggy bank. Hello, piggy.
Hello.
This piggy bank is full of coins. How about breaking it with this blue hammer? Oh, what's it? We found our next puzzle piece. It's a black and white panda. Where should we put it? Let's put it in the right-hand corner. Wow, look at this river. Let's add something. It's one palm tree. Wow, there's some cute kittens. Look, we have 1, 2 Hello Kitties. I think they want to swim. 1 and 2. Wow, some colorful hippos came to the water. What's inside the orange one? Let's see. Wow, what's it? There are a lot of birds. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Well done. What a beauty. What's inside the purple hippo? Let's take a look. Wow, what's that? We have some mermaids.
Hello.
Let's let them go into the water. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the green hippo. Let's open it. Look, it's the shark family. Let's put them in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sharks. And the last hippo is yellow. Look, it's our puzzle piece. It's a hippo. Where does it go? How about here? Wow, we have some shapes and a bucket with holes. Let's put the shapes into the bucket. What kind of shape is this? That's right, it's a diamond. Let's find the correct hole for the diamond. Here it is. Look, they match. Let's put it in. Great job. Our next shape is a circle. We need to find the round hole. Do you see it? Look, here it is. This hole is round. Well done. What kind of shape is this? Right, it's a square. Let's find the square hole. Do you see a hole that looks like a square? Here it is. Let's put it in. Great. Let's take another shape. It's a yellow pentagon. Let's find the pentagon hole. Do you see it? I found it. Well done. Our next shape is a star. Let's put it in the bucket. Do you see the star hole? It's here. Great job. And the last shape is a triangle. Do you see the triangle hole? I found it. It's here. Well done. All the shapes are inside. Wow, what's it? Oh, it's the next puzzle piece. It's a gray koala. Let's put it here. Look at that! We have some colorful cups and some colorful balls. Our first ball is light blue. Where do you think we should put it? That's right, it's the light blue cup. Our next ball is orange. Can you guess where this one might go? In the orange cup. Well done. Let's take another one. It's yellow. Where does it go? No, not green, not red. That's right, it's the yellow cup. What color is it? It's blue. Where should we put it? In the blue cup. Well done. Let's take another ball. The green ball. Let's find the right cup. Great job, the green cup. What's next? This ball is red. Where does it go? The red cup. Well done. What color is this? It's purple, right? Where should we put it? The purple cup. And the last ball is pink. Which cup should we put it in? Oh, I found it. It's pink. Great job. Wow, look, there's something new in the cups. First, let's take the pink cup. There's a surprise toy inside the slime. I wonder what it is. Let's get the slime out. It's a pink cake. Yummy! What's next? Let's choose the purple cup. I see something inside. Let's get the slime. I guess there's a car inside. It is. It's a purple car. Our next cup is red. I see someone cute inside. Let's get the slime out. It's a cute red fox.
Hello.
Let's take another cup. It's blue. I see someone inside. What do you think it is? I see a big tail. I think it's a whale. Let's make sure about that. That's right, it's a blue whale.
Woohoo!
Our next cup is green, and I see someone's tail inside the cup. It looks like a crocodile. Let's get the slime out. It's really a green crocodile. Let's put it in the bowl. Let's take the yellow cup. There's something in the slime. What's it? It's a little princess. Wow!
Hello.
What's next? It's an orange cup. I see someone inside. Who is it? Oh, it's an orange fish. Let's get the slime out. Hello, fish. And the last cup is light blue. What's inside? I see someone. It's a light blue elephant. Wow, we found our puzzle piece. It's an elephant. Let's put it right here. Great job! Thank you for helping me complete this puzzle. See you next time. Bye bye.